Hello, welcome to our primer on starting right in high tonal production. Throughout the primer, we include tips on the process of starting high tonal production, beginning with evaluating if it is truly your best option, through installing your first high tonal, if that is what you choose to do. We emphasize starting right because doing that helps you succeed in the short and long term. As we take up the basic and very important question of whether high tonal production is truly your best option, we offer 5 reality checks. Think of them as issues to consider before committing to high tonal production. In this video, we highlight reality check number 4. However, before we get to that, let's recap reality check number 3. Reality check number 3 had 3 parts. First, we said that conditions inside your high tonal hinge on conditions outside it and your management. Second, we emphasized that the protection your high tonal can provide must be managed correctly, otherwise it will backfire significantly. And finally, we said that both those facts result in successful high tonal production requiring specific knowledge and timely effort you must be prepared to develop and give. Reality check number 4 is that high tonals typically cannot be insured and can be totally lost. Therefore, if you are unable to insure your high tonal, damage to or loss of it due to natural forces or typical farming situations will be your sole financial responsibility to cover. Multiple high tonals have been destroyed well before their expected lifetime, well before being paid off, or returning an adequate income to the grower. Ask some experienced high tonal growers and they will say, for example, they have 5 high tonals but have built 7 or 8. This means they have lost 2 or 3. So while the benefits of high tonal production are real, risks associated with it are too. One of those risks is the high tonal being destroyed and you having to absorb all the financial liability the loss causes. Consider that possibility and what your contingency plan includes. Will you operate without the high tonal or replace it? Either way, your operation will be affected. So it is prudent to take steps to limit the chance for loss as outlined elsewhere in the series, while also preparing to absorb the loss if it occurs. So, in summary, as reality check number 4, we recommend keeping in mind the fact that high tonals often cannot be insured, that their total loss is only partially preventable, and that a contingency plan to deal with the loss of your high tonal should be in place before you install it. Installing a high tonal increases certain aspects of your potential financial risk or exposure. Therefore, have a so-called slush fund in hand to replace the tunnel if needed, or learn to operate without the tunnel until it can be replaced. Thank you and good luck. Enjoy other videos in this series, and please do not hesitate to contact me if I may be of further service.